to your midline and switch.
I think especially as a woman growing up in New York, we all have this weird relationship with food where there's all this guilt associated with food. So my passion is really showing athletes, let's use food as fuel and not have this guilty connotation. Adidas runners reached out to me and I really loved what they were doing. They looked at the whole person and they understood that runners need strength, mobility, and they looked at nutrition as another part of training, and I believe that as well. So it was pretty in line with my belief, and it's been amazing to work with the community and see how they look at food and how it's evolved over time.
Fueling is such a big piece of endurance sports. I marathon quite a bit, and so I got really interested in just trying regular foods and more whole foods while I was running.
The Miso trail bites were created because Coach Jesse, who was doing an ultra marathon, really wanted to use fuel that wasn't so sweet. Every bar and every gel is super sweet, and when you're doing long efforts, you could afford to eat real food. It was really easy to make this recipe because my pantry is always stocked with now foods. I took flavors that she liked, and then I looked at what ingredients I wanted to use, like pumpkin and sprouted brown rice, which are going to be great carbohydrate source for trail runners. And then use miso, which is naturally fermented and rich in sodium, so that was going to be great for someone who was doing a trail run. So I took all those flavors and those ideas and I basically put it in my favorite machine, the food processor, and played around with the texture and measurements. But the whole idea was created because I just didn't find any type of portable snack that was easy to take with you on a trail.
What's great about it is you're getting the energy from the carbohydrates, and at the same time it feels light enough that it's not like gonna sit in your stomach for a long time. So I think that it would be a great snack for someone that's gonna go on any distance of run, and it could also be a great post-run snack too.
My goal in working with any type of runner or the Adidas runners community in specific is to try to change their thought when it comes to nutrition and educate them more than anything. So the more knowledge I could give to other people in the Adidas runners community, the better.